In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ActiveCampaign. Let's walk through the process step by step, which can help you swiftly get the support you need from their team. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or seeking guidance on a particular feature, getting in touch with ActiveCampaign support is a straightforward task when you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account. This is important because being logged in gives you access to tailored support specifically for your account and the features you might be using. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials like your email and password. Once you're in, you'll find that the layout is user-friendly, designed to help you find the resources and support you need as quickly as possible. Now, move your attention to the left-hand menu on your screen. This column is packed with useful options and functions, one of which is the support chat feature you're looking for. As you scan through the list, look for the option that says Chat with Us. Clicking on this will open up a form that you need to fill out before you can start chatting with a support agent. The accessibility of this feature directly within your dashboard means you're never far from getting the help you need. When the form opens up, take a moment to fill in the required details. These might include information like your name, email address, and a brief description of the issue you're encountering. Think of this as setting the stage for a productive conversation, as providing clear and concise information will enable the support staff to assist you more effectively. Once you've filled out all of the fields, you're ready to begin your chat. Simply submit the form, and voila, you will soon be connected with an English-speaking support agent who is ready to assist you. The chat function provides the advantage of real-time communication, letting you explain your issue or question as it unfolds. Within minutes, you'll usually find yourself in an interactive discussion where you can ask questions, clarify doubts, or simply seek advice on how to proceed. Remember, these agents are equipped with the know-how to resolve a vast range of queries, so don't hesitate to leverage their expertise. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you're not only identifying the problem, but actively working towards the solution by connecting with professional support when you need it. It's reassuring to know that help is just a click away, all from the comfort of your ActiveCampaign interface. That concludes today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.